You want to hear a bad cat joke? Just kidding. Is your cat missing the litter box? Does it feel like torture having to clean and replace your kitty litter? Introducing iKuddle, the smart litter box that self-cleans, tells you when your little feline friend leaves a chocolate delight, and auto-packs at your convenience for disposal. The iKuddle knows when your little panther does his dirty business. It uses sensors to detect when and how often they go. After that, a timer starts that self-cleans the litter, removing only clumps and auto-packs into a small bag, which is super convenient and saves money. When ready, simply press the auto-packing button on the litter box or the convenient iKuddle app, which notifies you when the bag is full. Ever walk by a litter box that smelled like ammonia and your mother's disapproval? The iKuddle is great for multiple cats and comes with a deodorizing system that filters out the smell of your cat's butt truffles and eliminates odors, keeping your home smelling fresher than cookies coming out of the oven. Delightful. The iKuddle app monitors how often your baby tiger visits the iKuddle litter box and collects data that displays on your app. Unlike most self-cleaning litter boxes, the iKuddle's modular design allows you to detach the components for easy cleanup. It has a built-in lithium-ion battery that lasts for 15 days, or plug-in cable that lets you use it practically anywhere. Simba, you silly little lion, not there. Back us today and be one of the first ones to get the iKuddle, so you never have to scoop your cat's Tootsie Rolls ever again.